Hey folks, welcome to the channel. I'm not a big conspiracy theorist, but there's a conspiracy that you need to know about, and that is big wiper blade. Now, if you go down to your local auto parts store and you go to buy new wiper blades for your car, it's gonna come in a big plastic box and it's gonna have the entire wiper blade and the entire assembly. They're gonna charge you 20 plus bucks for a wiper blade. It used to be that you could just buy the rubber itself and replace it for just a few dollars. Now, if you go down to your local auto parts store, they're not gonna have that. They're not gonna have it at your big box store, but you can still buy this stuff online. A roll like this will cost you a couple bucks instead of costing you 20, 30 bucks to do your wipers. And you can usually get better stuff. These are made out of silicone, they'll last a lot longer. And it's just as easy to replace this as it is the whole cartridge. So I'm gonna show you how to do that and save a few dollars in the process. Now, I've gone ahead and removed the wiper blade because it's going to make it easier to show you. You don't have to remove the wiper blade, but you can see mine's pretty fried. Now, what you want to look for are the clips. These are little clips right there, and they sit into the groove on the actual wiper blade. Now, this is the new wiper blade. That right there, that's the groove that I'm talking about. Now, on the end, there's going to be this little piece. That's what holds the whole thing in place. It's the same as that little piece right there. So what we want to do is get this part free. Now, depending upon your wiper blade, this may be easier or harder, but this whole thing will eventually just slip right out. Now, with the old blade removed, you take your new blade, line it right up, make sure those little clip ends are on the same end. Come to the other side here, and we're gonna cut the blade itself to the right length. Now, I do want to take one quick minute to thank today's video sponsor, and that is Skillshare. We wouldn't be able to do videos like this and help you out without them helping us out. So thank you to Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning platform. They have high-end learning videos on their platform. And if you go down below, I have a link in the description. The first 1,000 people that click on that link will get a free trial subscription to Skillshare, no strings attached. So please support the people that support us. Go down below and check out that if that's something you're into. Now let's get back to the project. If you do happen to have a blade that has these little metal pieces in it, you can take those out and transfer them onto the new blade. Some have those, some don't, but if it has them, you do want to transfer them over. So now with those transferred over, we're just going to slip the blade right back into the old housing. So save a few bucks by switching over to these wiper blades. You don't have to buy the big clunky ones at the store. Say no to big wiper blade. It's a conspiracy. Or it's not. I don't really know, but save money. Anyway, I hope this video helped you out at all. Give it a big thumbs up down below if it did, and I hit that subscribe button because I got lots more stuff like this coming your way. And of course, thanks for watching.